In this video, I will show you how to send money from Dubai to USA. So in this tutorial, we're using Remitly as I think that this is one of the best methods to send money from Dubai to USA. So you need to go to remitly.com or you can exit from the app. And what you need to do then is first create an account, of course. And after that, you need to set your account to sending from Dubai and sending to United States. And I will show you how you can change that to Dubai and USA. So what you need to do is you need to go over to your settings. So go and click on settings. And then from here, you need to scroll down and there you will see this option saying sending to and sending from. So in here, you need to be sure that you have it to sending from, and then you need to set it to United Arab Emirates. So I'm going to change that right now and I see it in here, and then sending to United States. And after you've done that, you need to click on save. Once you have that done, you can just go to the home page and there you can click on send money. And once you do that, your page will load. And then you see that you can send in Arabian dirhams and they will receive in USD. So let's say that you are sending around 5,000 dirhams, then you will see that they will get around 1.4K. And there is also a promo exchange rate applied. And this is always for your first transfer. So if everything is correct, you can just go and click on continue. And then from here, you need to fill in the delivery method. So is it a bank deposit or cash pickup? In my case, it's a bank deposit. So let's go and fill that in. Then you need to select your recipient's bank. So please be sure that you know this. And you also have more options if you cannot see it in here. But I'm just going with Bank of America in here. And now I need to fill in information about the recipient. So you need to have a account type, so checking or savings. So please be sure that you collect all of the data you need. And then you need to fill in an account number and a rounding number. And then you can just go and click on continue and then continue the process. So after you finish this flow, you will send your money from Dubai to the United States. It's pretty easy and straightforward from here. It just works like this. So that is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.